Ándale, ándale.
Me he abandonado.
Arriba.
Que otro a su lado pronto.
Toma,
Me
toma.
hablará de amor.
Yeah, pulling me down, but still I climb the ladder. They keep bringing up my past like it even matter. Accept the plateau, catch a blow on right through your bladder. Wanna wear my crown, now your head is on a platter. Time to face, choke bitches in the shades. A troublemaker always shows violence over peace. Like a heart attack, a body beats. You don't wanna be locked in the cage with this beast. I doubt it. Green niggas stay rowdy. I only gotta shake a nigga hand to know he bout it. The baby 9 in your face like howdy. This amnesia got a nigga thoughts all cloudy. King floss in the jungle, keep your shit tucked. One funny move, no homo, you gon' get fucked. Playing with swords, you know you get cut. How you tryna play a shark with a fish heart?
Aquí estoy con mi desvelo para ahogarnos de una vez.
Yeah, still a Delius in the game. No hunger like that of Mike Tyson before the fame. Got rich and never changed, better stay within your lane. Or keep an umbrella for when the bullets start to rain. Showers a blessing, your dogs will go to heaven. I had to fall like 6 times to know that I'm the 7th. This is perfection, I'm harder than direction. An angel will haunt you, what I'm seeing is my reflection. I'm taking notice only for myself cause I'm the boss. To win your war, sometimes you listen to the underdogs. No 44 will make them somersault for trying to do me like they did to Jesus on the cross. They killed Christ and rewarded Judas. They're similar to Caesar and the snake Buddhist. My infantry is full of brave shooters. Cruise the jungle with a missile and like 8 Rugers. Motherfucker.